A new skill, and it doesn't have anything to do with driving. Longview Transit is considering training its staff to help customers coping with mental illness. Our Ron Everett has more.
On buses, at bus stops, and at the transit depot, city workers are encountering customers with mental illnesses.
My drivers are frustrated. It's frustrating because they don't know how to handle it. It's frustrating because it becomes an attack on them.
Takita Dudley is the director of operations at Longview Transit. She says she's noticed an increase in mental health episodes, and the stats back it up. Research shows 1 in 5 adults in the U.S. experience mental illness each year.
They come here and we try to get them help or get them resources and things that they need, but it becomes very hard on us because sometimes we just can't help them.
Dudley says as a first step, she's educating herself, but getting training for everyone may be challenging. I try
to get as much education under my belt so I can share that with my drivers, because there's not a lot of education out there for drivers in mental health in transit industry.
Dr. Dolive, executive director for the Greater Longview United Way, says that mental health affects everything in our lives, from the choices we make and how we interact with others in public.
Having the tools and resources from employers and from the community about how to handle stress in a productive and constructive way can really lead to some positive gains in our community.
Dr. Dolive said that employers offering mental health training will enable employees to be able to effectively help a customer in need.
Knowing who to turn to and where to go is vital, because you're able to connect those dots for someone so that they can get the resources that they need.
Dudley also says she is reaching out to other transit agencies to see how they're dealing with mental health issues on their routes.
We want to provide excellent service for the people in our community. So getting that education about mental illness and mental health is important to us.
Continued conversation needs to continue in our community about how we're taking care of those who are going through mental health crisis.
In Longview, for CBS 19, Ron Everett.